What's going on, Jets? Today it's Friday, the 13th of June, slightly after half past 4, and I just closed my position maybe less than 10 minutes ago. And today I was trading NQ and one model, one session every day up until month ends, and then I get a prop from account, document the whole journey here on socials. So going into the day, I woke up to this huge candle to the downside, bro. And the Dow Jones had taken out this low while we did not take it out on NQ. So that gave me an SMT divergence on the daily time frame. So I had an SMT with the Dow Jones index right there. Let me center it. Clean, no problem. After that, I went on the hourly time frame. And on the hourly time frame, I'm not sure anymore, but I think these were Asian lows, right? Yeah. These were the Asian lows. Let me put them towards the right. And right here, we had, I think, was it Tokyo or Sydney, bro? Not sure. But let me say Tokyo, yeah. Um, the Tokyo, we had the Tokyo high right there, right? Well, I think Asian session, I think it's a mixture of the Tokyo and the Sydney. But here, let me just say Tokyo right there. I had that high, and let me go on the 30 minutes. I don't remember where I had the London lows, but let me just check. Well, let me just minus the London lows because I didn't really use them in this instance. So going into the day, man, I just wanted to see price sweep these Tokyo highs because we were already kind of going up when market opened. So I was exactly waiting for price to sweep these Tokyo highs so that I can go short to some 5-minute lows, I think. So I just really just waited for price to go sweep there, as I've said. Then I went on the 1 minute time frame, and then on the 1 minute time frame, I excuse me for being a bit slow today. Come. So as we swept right there on the 1 minute time frame, we swept this high, right, and we had this inversion fair value gap while we swept. Clean. After we swept, I was like, okay, I'm going in because I was just waiting for that sweep. Maybe somewhere around here, man, I went in, and then with my stops slightly above that high, yeah, there were 32 pips, and then I was targeting 5-minute lows, which are just these ones right here. This was my drone liquidity 5 DOL 5 DOL. Put it towards the right. Clean, no problem. Going into the 1 minute again. Price was really choppy, man. And we had this first presentation fair value gap that I wanted to see maybe price either hold it or inverse it. So let me just highlight it right there. Okay, that was my first FVG. That was my first presentation fair value gap right there. And you can see price really played around for a minute around my entry, which was fine. And once we printed this bearish fair value gap that was really clean right here, I highlighted it, and then I put my stops slightly above this bearish fair value gap when we had went into those profits. And the analogy behind it was really simple, man. I was saying that if price inverses this 1 minute fair value gap and basically sustains this first presentation fair value gap, I would have been out maybe at a 1-to-1, which would have been perfectly fine by me. So I put my stops somewhere around there, and then price tested it, went down a bit, tested it again, and then we printed towards the downside. And then that's when I held it. I think I closed somewhere around here. It was after this week went up a bit. I was like, you know what, I don't want to be in this trade for too long, and I closed it slightly around there. But the original TP was really these 5-minute lows, and I think I closed it around 93 pips on each position. I'm not sure anymore, but yeah, that's the trade of the day. Monday we caught 130. Tuesday we lost 30. Wednesday we caught 164. Yesterday we caught 204, and then today we caught 90 pips. So we're doing really, really well so far. And I'll see you Jets next week again, because this is it from me for this week. Thank you.